Hey, what's up everybody? Thanks for coming back. And today it's a special treat. Got a delivery. Haha. I wonder what it is. Uh ended up entered in a giveaway. I've never won nothing in my life. Scout's honor, man. Never won anything in my life like this. So I did the raffle and I won. What did I win? We're going to find out here in a minute. But I want to say thank you to SDRC. They're out of San Diego. It's San Diego RC Addict. Check them out on Instagram. I hope I'm saying it right. But check it out on Instagram. It's SDRC Addict. Addict. Let's see. I'm going to actually put it in the video description for you guys, so you guys can make sure you get it correct, because I might be messing it up. I hope not. But cool cats, you know, awesome people. They got some cool stuff going on, and I feel very privileged to have something like this here at, I guess you can say, my studio. Add it to my collection. Either I'm going to put this on the shelf and look at it and figure out what project I want to do to it, or I don't know. We're going to find out. Let's get into this box and see what we got. And here we go. Let's get into it. Man, they taped it up good. Thank you guys. Hopefully I don't cut my fingers with my razor blade. Just be extra careful. Especially, there's a kid's actually opening with sharp objects. Be extra careful. Cut away from you. Keep all your fingers out of the way. There we go. Let's see what we got. We got bubble wrap. A lot of bubble wrap. Uh-oh. More bubble wrap with a box. Get my razor blade here. Look at that. There's his sign. Look for that on Instagram, guys. Go follow him. Cool cats. I like them. More tape. They didn't want this thing coming untaped, did they? Let's see what we got here. Oh wow, cool. Thank you. Thank you for the stickers. I was wanting some. Appreciate it. Oh, look at this. Brand new. Nice. Nice. Thank you. Thank you. Very well put together. Very clean. Nice. Very nice. Thank you so much. Very cool. I'm going to take it out of the bag and check it out. And these guys are real good. These guys do real good work. It's a VX16. Thing looks brand new. Look at that. That tells you it's brand new. They just put it together. Look at that sleeve. Nothing. Wow, they actually port this thing? Is it a performance motor? Man, let me know down there, guys. This thing's actually beefed up. I'd love to find out. Get the piston put back in its hole. Dude, thank you so much. That is awesome. Put this thing back in its bag to protect it. Perfect. Nice. That's a cool addition. I wanted that. I appreciate it, guys. Thank you. Definitely going to represent. You know, I want to thank you. I want to thank you for sharing this with me. I appreciate it. Thank you so much for choosing me. And I'm going to rock these, man. Thank you. I appreciate it. I hope you're watching this video. Dude, I am stoked. I was wanting some stickers. Thank you. Awesome. I'm actually going to work on some stickers myself. Got a couple little layouts. Maybe I'll throw up a couple different pictures up on Instagram and have a vote. Let you guys vote which stickers I should get made. But I appreciate everything. Thank you. You know, go check these guys out on Instagram. Go follow them. Man, hook them up. Thank you. And thank you for everything that everybody's been doing for me. And don't forget, at 300, gonna be another giveaway. So we're getting close again, guys. And that makes me happy. Nice. Thank you, everybody. Thank you for your support. And again, if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. Now, if you guys haven't hit that subscribe button, hit it now. Don't forget that notification bell, so you guys know when the next time I post a video. You know, maybe next time you guys, one of you lucky viewers, can win something. Because you never know unless you try. And this is the first time that I've tried. Well, first time I've won. Not the first time I've tried. I've tried numerous times, but this is the first time I've won something. Dude, I am stoked. I am so happy. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, SDRC. I appreciate it. And my hats are off to you guys. You guys be safe out there. And I'll catch you guys on the next time. See ya.